I long to be close to you. I long to be close to you. I'll do anything, anything, anything. I'll do anything, anything, anything. Macau. Oh, my Macau. Oh, my Macau.
Okay, Calçada de Barra. So we're going to kind of show you this thing right here. Go across the street a little bit, and what we're going to be doing is walking all the way down, all the way to Ahmad Temple, and we're going to be walking along this Moorish barracks right here. So stay tuned for that. Macau, Calçada de Barra. So this is I'll put this up on a map so you can see exactly where we are. We're kind of in the southern part of Macau. Barra is kind of where Ahmad Temple, so we're going to end up in Ahmad Temple at the end of the video, but we're going to be starting at the Moorish barracks, and you can see that in the preview, and you get more into it when we get into the walk and talk, and you can kind of see the whole transition of what it's like from the Moorish barracks all the way to Ahmad Temple in this little slice of Macau, and it's a lot of history right here, a lot of history. So anyways, I got the music, the lyrics are there coming down the screen, and we're going to get right into there, do the walk and talk, and I'm going to show you as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Macau. Okay, so we're going to walk down this way. Before we go down, we'll just show you this way as well. That restaurant right there, the Italian restaurant, Pizzeria Toscana, is very famous. So we're going to be walking down this way. I'm going to try to get across the street in a moment. The car coming, so I'll wait for that. There we go. So I'll explain this Moorish barracks in a moment. Before we do, there's some nice sitting arrangements right here too. So you can actually sit in any of these places right here, here, and all the way down. And then one of the things you're going to notice is this has, the windows have this kind of unique look to it. And I believe that's, I think there's like two things behind it. One is it's something to do with the Moorish barracks, so it's kind of a, you know, that kind of background. And then also this used to be a barracks where there used to be military as well. Let me just try to sneak back. Want to get out of that sun a little bit. There we go. So this used to look over like the ocean, but now it overlooks these buildings. We're going to try to get a different angle, but we're going to keep on walking all the way down, give you an idea of what this looks like. So yeah, this would have protected the city from anybody that would come in from the ocean. So you'd have the military barracks up there, and you'd overlook the ocean, which you cannot do so well anymore because the ocean has changed. Just kind of walk in here real quick. There's also these little alleys. I just want to walk and just take a look. I think we can just go out right there. There we go. And then yeah, there's the barracks up that way. Let me go down and take a look at that as well. So you have it from this angle. I'm just going to bring the camera back a little bit. And we're on this Calçada de Barra, but I'm also going to just highlight a few other things too, including this little patio. I think this probably would have also been up above a little bit and overlooked the ocean. And then this whole building right here is new. So the last time I filmed here was probably, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago. And then they built all of this, and I remember it all under construction, and now it's fully realized. So you have all these nice apartments with balconies. And that's all new as well. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down that way and then into Amma Temple. There's the barracks that way. So that's there's little alleys that go down that way. I'm just gonna walk down it real quick. This is actually a little beko, which means that it could connect into something. Huh. Oh, it probably goes through like that and it goes down. This is this little tiny little beko's like alley, and it's, since it has a sign, it's a public space as well. Okay. Got some garlic right there. And we're gonna go down the barracks straight ahead. Just keep on going down. That little alley that we saw there's actually another bench there. Nice wall right there. And then this is actually called the Beco da Capitania dos Portos. With the dragon. We got some cool stuff in here. Okay. Okay, so now we have this beautiful building right here, and then this is like the street of the Calçada, which is like dried fish, I think, something like that. We're gonna walk directly down that way. The waterfront used to be over here, but they reclaimed the land a little bit. And then in this area we have a ton of cool looking stuff everywhere, including these. Sao Paulo ruins replica, Pia Hill replica, little snack replica, and then a snack shop. I think this is, I don't recall seeing the riverside before. Looks like it's boarded up though. Okay. Another little alley there. I'm not gonna go into it, but it goes right up against the mountain there. The riverside, eh? And then this right here is the end of the street, and we go into Amma Temple. This is our street right there. We started up at the Moorish temple, Moorish Barracks, and then yeah, historically that would have overlooked the ocean and would have protected this from the sea. The Amma Temple is right here. Gonna come up here real quick. So this is the Amma Temple. And we're just gonna walk briefly over here. There you go. And we're gonna end this video. But yeah, that was our street, Calçada de Barra.
Close to you, I'll do anything, anything, anything Macau.